What's up, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, like always, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, so today we got a special project going on, which is Mutant Ape Social Club. All right, so this is a derivative from Baby Ape Social Club. And right now, derivatives are going off. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But still, I'm going to remind you guys, this is kind of a risky play. It's usually risky when derivatives are involved. All right, so now let's get into the project and check it out here. So I'm going to hop on the Discord. So you see their art. Their art is actually pretty awesome. I actually like it, in my opinion. It's pretty dope. This one's actually my favorite here. Really cool. All right, so mint information, guys. So supply is 1,500 and mint price is at 1 SOL. So what I think of the mint price, I think it is fair for the supply this project has. I do believe first day this project will pump. That date would be on January 26th. So let's go ahead and have a look at the roadmap here. So currently, Mutant Ape Social Club does not have a website. As you see here on the roadmap, that's for the Mutant launch. They're going to establish a website where members can learn more about MASC. So I know they announced somewhere in their announcements here that they would launch the website before it mints. Just there you go. We will have our official website live before the official mint date. So you'll be able to check out more information on the project as well when their website comes out, guys. So make sure you guys do that before mint. Make sure you guys check out the website and check out the team as well. And then currently, like it says here, they changed their whitelist requirements. So there would be probably more whitelist opportunities tomorrow. There was a whitelist opportunity today. But as you see, it closed for today. Look out later for more spots. So today was fairly easy. You just had to beat chat level 3 minimum and have 12 invites and beat chat level 9. Or if you own one of these NFT projects, you get the whitelist spot for sure. But let's see what they show us tomorrow for the whitelist opportunities. I'll make sure to put a link to the Discord in the description below, you guys. So let's continue here with the roadmap. So we see P1 is mint 1,500 mutant apes. List on secondary marketplaces like Magic Eden. Allow holders of MASC to stake their mutant for an unnamed SPL token. SPL token will be airdropped at a certain interval of time, which is to be determined. So token will be able to be redeemed for future free airdrop collections related to the MASC, specifically a mutant dog airdrop. So that's pretty dope. They're going to give us a second free NFT. So I never say no to free. That's pretty cool. So then for P2, they are going to use 50% of royalties to buy back and burn. All mutants swept with creator funds will never see Dab Island again. And then they will release merchandise for this NFT, delivering merchandise that will be voted on by holders. All right, so this part here to use 50% of royalties, this should actually bring the floor price up for when this releases. So when they do this, no, not for when this releases. I mean, sorry about that, guys. When they go ahead and start with P2, this strategy should bring that floor price up for sure. And then we see FAQ here. Are you affiliated with Bored Ape Social Club? They're not. Like I said, they're derivative from them. They were inspired by them, and they actually are offering whitelist roles for their holders, like I said before. So this project has potential, you guys, to be a good flip, a huge flip. Let me go ahead and show you the art again. and let me hop in their Twitter before I go as well. So what I'm gonna try to do in my you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to mint one. If I'm not able to mint one, I'm gonna keep my eye on them for when they launch. There's potential this actually might fall below mint price, but I'm sure this will pump the first day. So even don't try to paper hand this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna pump the first day. But like I said, this is a risky play, you guys. Make sure you guys do your own research the day of. Don't go aping into every project like I always say. And that's all for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.